Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So we are going through a series which is called Flute Diaries. I hope you are following this series from the beginning. There are a couple of episodes already we have released. Today it is a part of this, of course, this today's topic. We are learning how to play flute. Okay, step by step we are learning. I have started with the swaras, how to blow, and all the alankars, important alankars we have covered, and pyramid practice, long note practice, everything we have covered. But today in this discussion, I want to share with you the pain point of every flute player definitely faced in their journey, which is ma to pa transition. Okay, this is the very important topic I want to discuss today. Okay, first of all, I want to tell you how to hold the flute, and it is very important. I have seen many students doing incorrect, or beginner student, of course, they are holding the flute not correctly. So first, let me correct that. Okay, this is my left hand. This is my right hand. Okay, I am left hand player flute. I used to hold the flute in my left hand. You can hold the flute on your right hand if you are right hand player flute. Okay, nothing difference for that. Now, take a look. It is Sudha Ma. It is Tivra Ma. So opening of these, as it is very tiny little opening section is very little, so we have to understand and measure what is the opening space. It is very little, not too much. Okay, this Shuddhama, if you are opening too big, too widely, it will come to the Tivra Madhyam or Tivrama. Okay, so basic things, I hope you will do it properly. Now, this is sa, re, ga, shuddhama, pa, dha, ni, sa. Okay, sa, ni, dha, pa, sa, re, ga, ma. Ma, ga, re, sa, ni, dha, pa, dha, ni, sa, re, ga, ma. Okay, now the problem is ma, it is bass pa. One time we have shown that it is this is bass pa. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. It is bass pa, dha, ni, sa. Now, in this bass pa, dha, ni, sa, we will little bit, if you press, then the actual pa, dha, ni, it will come. Okay, now problem is, I have seen many students, they used to close these and open this finger. So it is very dangerous. Don't do this. You can keep this finger, but you cannot keep these two fingers when you are playing ma. It will be detuned. Okay, it is completely detuned. Sa, I have seen many people used to do sa, re, ga. In there, they are not opening these two fingers. They used to keep it and then they pressing ma. It is not correct. Okay, now ma pa. So when I am playing ma, you can see these finger I can close. That will not give any impact. These two finger, no. Now these four finger, 1, 2 and 3, 4. These four finger will come and close, and also this one, but it will, as it is not lifting from the flute, so it is staying there. So that is the reason we are not changing it. I'm keeping it here only and closing all the others, all the things. So in specifically to 4 fingers we are closing when you are playing actual pa. But we have we are used to face a lot of problem into this. So my friends, my students, please do remember, when you are practicing this, go very slow, and whenever you flute, you can see your flute, play ma to pa continuously. Another thing, it should be go in one breath, not cut the breath. Means no, only close the finger. So you can practice this before you blow. Ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa ma pa. Finger should not lift here. I have seen many people used to do like that, and they are coming. So if you come from here, it is taking time. So do not lift here. It should be here, not much distance. It will close like this. Very little. Ma pa ma pa ma pa. Then I hope this is clear to you. Now quick practice. Write it down. Ma pa pa ma pa ma, ga pa ga, re pa ga, re pa re, sa pa sa. This practice will help you a lot with your tongue movement and breathe and the fingering. Now another. You see, I am not usually changing the breath. Breath will be same. So what I played, ma pa ga pa re pa sa pa re pa ga pa ma pa, then reverse, pa ma pa ga pa re pa sa pa re pa ga pa ma. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now you do this practice and get rid of this pa to ma or ma to pa problem.